Hi guys! So, carbon haul again for today's video. Oh, di na nagkasya sa isang bag ko. Nag-extra plastic na. Oh, yun na. First, yun na. Your favorite. I bought apple. Oh my God. Natumba. Apple for you na banana. And tip na. It's just leaves. It's just leaves, yun na. And dahil sa sobrang sarap, oh, habang nagbabiyahe, kumakain. Uy, quiet. Uy. Oy, tip ni Aling Tindera, guys. So, kung ano daw ang season para makakain tayo ng murang fruits. Ano ang season, guys? Yun. For only 50 peso, rambutan. And, ito na nga muna. This one yun na. And, uy, medyo mura ngayon ang ano to? Yun na, quiet to. Yun na, uy, I'm talking. You're also talking there. Garlic and onions. Medyo mura ngayon ang sa gani ni? Kangkong. No, this one is 30. Uy, kagahi man. Ito yung nauna kasi. So, I'll try to get the other. This one is banana for 60 pesos, guys. 65 ata yan. More than 1 kilo. Kagahi lagi. Oh my God. Here. Uy. No, crying rocks. Wash first yun na ha. And this one is marang. Ang gulo ng camera. Marang. Dalawa na guys. Kasi last time nabitin kami. Hindi na ako nakakain. Sa inyo na yan. Hoy, 2 days pa daw. Yun na. Quiet please. Mama is talking. And this one is, wala sila i-display nga hinog. Talbos ng kamote. Again and again. Ma, nag-try ko og kuan ma. Kaning ang sa tawag nila ato katong kuan ba? Katong ingon nimo maglaway-laway ba? Ano to? Para sa utan, gulay. Kanang sana utan Bisaya daw, lami na siya. Pagod. Ay maura na siya and kangkong guys. And the other bag. Uy, medyo yun na. No. Ay, si Yuna, you're not looking. You're not watching ha. My hand. I'm holding the camera. Ugma. Surprise! Nakakita ako ng kamuting kahoy. And mas gusto ko namin yung maliliit kasi madali lang steam. Murato na 30 pesos. Medyo mura ngayon, no? And this one is sa gani ini tanang pechay and repolyo, cabbage. Wala sa lista pero maganahan ko nagtanaw. And this one is beans. And buti pinayagan kami ng bumili ng half lang. Yun na, excuse me, baby. And lettuce.
You and Papa didn't buy?
What? And
you and Papa didn't
tomato.
Buy? You and Papa didn't.
Lemon. This magic bag. And what's this?
Eggplant?
Yes, eggplant. And your favorite? Carrots, because you're a bunny.
Give me.
And you're another favorite.
Give me that.
What is this?
Give me that, Mama.
What is this?
Give me too.
Yes, that is cucumber. And ampalaya. Ay, ang daming nakigulo.
My Mama.
Ay, nag-iisang sayote, no? Inubos ko yung last 10 peso ko dito. No, this is for 10 peso. Paano ko ma-videohan? Kinuha na ng mama ko. Oh my God. So, for only 600 pesos, guys.
It's done now, baby.
Yes, guys, it's done.
Do